What's up guys, my name is Winner Singh. I hope you have a fantastic day. Today, me and my Japanese friend Mokato is going to eat the lunch together. And he's going to eat the ramen and I'm going to eat some vegetarian dish. Let's find out. Here is the menu. I need to order fried bean sprout with soya sauce and a plain white rice. I think it may be the sticky rice. It's an open beautiful kitchen. They are preparing fried sprouts for me and ramen for my Japanese friend. And it says please check all the prices after GST, which is 0%. That's cool. This restaurant is very near to the Isetan, the Japan store. He is adding the boiled water into the sprouts. It may be the fried boiled sprouts. I am fond of this kind of kitchen. Each and every member is working hard and they know their duty. Our food is ready. This treat is from my Japanese friend. And look at this, it's sprouts, rice and ramen for my friend. Let's find the table. I think this one is good. Oh, be careful Mokato, this plate is heavy. And here it is my sprouts, white rice, ramen which is very famous in Japan and Japanese love to eat the ramen. It's an extra large sprouts topped with the green onion and soya sauce. Rice, it seems like a sticky rice. You can say perfect Japanese rice like a onigiri. Mokato looks very hungry and yes, we walked a lot in a Isetan store. Let's take the first bite of this sprouts. Need to mix it very well to make the balanced flavor. I'm pretty sure this topped sauce is blended with many spices. These are the sprouts for me, I never tasted before. Now let's mix the sprout with the sticky rice. This is the ultimate combination. I am pretty sure if I eat this kind of food for a month, I will definitely lose the weight 5 to 10 kg, which I need to lose. Oh man, it is so good and so tasty. Sticky rice is finished and I would say green onion which is perfect accompaniment to the sprouts. I think it's all about the topped sauce and green onion. Let's finish the pending sprouts. It's look dangerously beautiful. That is tasty. You have to order this when you are in Malaysia. Finally, I finished each and everything. Mokato also complete his duty. And this is the Japanese tissue paper. Packing inside the packing. Cool. Let's clean the hand and the face. It's a beautiful tiny tissue. I cleaned myself. We really enjoyed this food. And thanks for watching. And if you like this video, press the thumb button. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification first of my next video. God bless you and your family.